Hi everyone, this is Giselle of Official PH Properties and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, we are back here in one of the horizontal residential development of Greenfield Development Corporation. Welcome to Solen Residences. Right now, nandito na tayo ngayon in one of the most iconic township here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. So we have just entered Greenfield City. So as you can see, this is already part of Greenfield City and marami na ritong greeneries. And pupuntahan natin ngayon yung community behind or inside Greenfield Development dito sa may Santa Rosa, Laguna. And mamaya iisa-isahin natin yung mga horizontal developments ni Greenfield like Solen, Pramana, and Chava. And what you see in this video are yung mga reserved spaces for future Greenfield development. So, kapag dinerecho natin to is meron tayong access dito sa may mga commercials ni Greenfield like Arcadia, Laguna Central, and Paseo Outlet Malls. So, makikita nyo dito yung mga banners ng Greenfield Development katulad nitong mga nandito, may mga signage dito ng Trava. And on my left part is the Medical City of South Luzon and meron dyang Fort Med. So, they have built their hospital here in South. So, if meron kayong mga doctors doon, meron na rin silang mga clinic schedules dito sa may Laguna. And kapag dinaretso nyo naman yung Medical City is makikita nyo na dito yung mga mixed commercials katulad ng mga famous outlets like Adidas and Skechers. Magkakaroon na rin dito ng outlet nila soon. So, dito mas mura since nandito yung mga warehouse and outlets ng mga famous brands like meron din dyang Nike, Puma, and marami din ditong mga restaurants and of course yung lifestyle centers like Ayala Malls, Solenad, New Valley of course, diba? Who doesn't know New Valley? Because we have receiving a lot of inquiries from clients from different parts of Metro Manila na gusto nila ng property within or malapit sa area ng New Valley. So if you go straight ahead, you can see there the vertical development of Greenfield. That is the Zadia, which is a condominium. And on the left part is the Paseo Premier Hotel. So if meron kayong mga future na events, so pwede kayong mag-rent dyan, at least malapit na rin, so meron dyang events place. And on my left part is the Vivere Hotel. So meron na tayong Vivere Hotel sa Alabang, right? And they have built their hotel here in Laguna, so soon mabubuksan na rin yan. So may mga events place din dyan na i-open. So right now we are driving through Greenfield City. So, etong mga bakanteng lote nito are saving for future developments and yung iba naman is talagang open space lang. And right now guys, we are going to one of the horizontal residential development of Greenfield, which is the Solen. So may mga available lots tayo doon and papakita ko sa inyo in the next part of this video. So right now, what you see is one of the projects also ng Greenfield, which is the Pramana. This is residential house and lot. And katapat lang nito is yung Solen Residences. So we just have to make a U-turn here. And yung mga projects ni Greenfield is closely is within close proximity lang with each other. So nadaanan na natin yung one of the luxurious project ni Greenfield, which is the Trava, and right now is Pramana. And napakita ko na rin sa inyo si Zadia, yung vertical project ni Greenfield. And right now, itong road na to, we just made a U-turn. So papunta na tayo ngayon sa entrance ni Solen Residences. So here we go, we will just turn right. And as you can see, hindi malapit sa road yung pinaka-entrance ni Solen. And that's what makes it more peaceful, more quiet, and more exclusive. And as you can see, no, meron pa ditong road papunta sa entrance ng subdivision, which is very full pa rin ng mga greeneries. Of course, diba? Yan yung signature ni Greenfield, #Greenspiration. And from here, you can now see the signage ni Solen Residences. And papaalam lang tayong pumasok sa guards. Right now, guys, we are here at Solen Phase 1C. This is the extension of Solen Residences because nearly sold out na si Solen and they have opened their extension for their future buyers. So this is for future development. Soon magkakaroon dito ng mga residential lots that are for sale. But now we are on the pre-selling stage, so mas affordable pa dito yung price. And alam nyo ba guys, good news to sa mga investors talaga ng mga real estate because as much as they want na mas mura yung makukuha nila, and this is good news for them, especially na ngayon ginagawa pa lang yung mga foundations nitong extension and may mga under construction pa rin. As you can see, no, hindi pa developed yung lugar. So this is the best time for them and for you also to invest here in Solen Residences. So this is the extension. So soon magkakaroon dito ng mga different lots, regular lots, corner lots, and yung mga premium cut na lots. So just a quick share lang, last 2021, yung prices dito sa Solen Residences is around 30,000 pesos. And right now, it's 2024 here in extension. Nasa 50 to 55,000 per square meters na yung price dito. And if you want to secure your investment here in Solen Residences, you can pay 10% down payment payable up until 18 months and yung 90% is through bank financing. And if ever na wala kayong partnered banks, don't worry because we have a partnered bank so we can assist you from reservation up until turnover. What's so nice about Solen Residences is it's within the master plan community of Greenfield Developments. So as I've mentioned dun sa previous part ng video, no, malapit siya sa mga commercial spaces, sa schools, hospitals, and yung mga schools na malapit dito are UST. So they have opened their Laguna campus here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. One of the universities also here in Laguna is the De La Salle University. So as we all know, no, very popular naman si De La Salle University. And they already have their campus here in Laguna, which is located in Canlubang, Biñan. So don't be confused if nandun siya sa may Biñan, but it's just within the boundary of Santa Rosa and Biñan. And from Solen Residences, it will just take you at least 15 to 20 minutes to go there. Imagine you have a property here in Solen. you can have the opportunity na mapalapit sa mga prestigious university dito sa May Laguna, malapit sa schools, hospitals, luxurious malls, like SNR, Landers, meron na rin yan dito sa May Santa Rosa, Laguna. And very important yung malapit sa hospitals, no? So, meron ditong mga New Sinai Medical Hospital, yung pinakita ko sa inyong Medical City. So, yun yung mga talagang primary consideration ng mga buyers natin dito kay Solen. In the next part of the video, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo yung mga sample model houses dito kay Solen, which is Asian Tropical yung theme ng house and lot dito. So, kailangan natin yung sundin para naman standard and uniform yung mga house and lot dito kay Solen. Here in Solen Residences, meron tayong 4 types, different types ng model house unit. And right now, ang papasukin natin is the Lian Model House Unit. This is 193 square meters. So tara, papakita ko sa inyo para if ever na magkaroon kayo ng future property dito kay Solen, meron na rin kayong idea. So let's go! Hi guys! So welcome! So pagpasok mo dito sa Lian Model House Unit, sasalubong sa inyo is itong dining table. But by the way guys, this is still depending on your preferences as a homeowner. But this is the model house ni Lian dito sa Solen. So dito is the kitchen area. As you can see, meron ditong countertop, refrigerator, and meron din ditong mga built-in cabinets na I think dito nila ilalagay yung mga breaker para hindi siya masyadong kita. And meron din tayo ditong back door leading to your perimeter fence. So pwede kang maglagay doon ng garden, yung outdoor garden mo, and sliding windows of course, the sink, kitchen sink, and naglagay din dito ng mga built-in cabinets for your things para mas organized, di ba? And dito naman is yung inyong dining area. If you notice guys, very pasok na pasok yung natural light here because yung mga ginamit dito are glass windows and glass doors, di ba? Because some owners mas prefer nila yung natural light kesa sa light kapag meron namang araw, di ba? Let's maximize yung daylight. So, dito is yung mini living area nila. So, as you can see, meron ding mga sliding windows and high ceiling, of course, di ba? We all want high ceiling, right? So, dito naglagay ng television and maraming windows dito. So, very mahangin dito kayo sa Solen, very presko. And if you want, di ba, if you don't want to use your air conditioning unit, you can open the windows. So, tara naman sa second floor. So on our way to the second floor, meron muna ditong maliit na toilet. So this can be used for the guests para hindi na sila aakyat or kapag naman nandito lang kayo sa baba, so meron na kayong toilet. So tara, akyat naman tayo. So we are now here in the second floor and sasalubong sa inyo is this back door which leads to the balcony. So, lahat ng model houses dito ay merong balcony, of course. So, you can enjoy naman yung nature vibes ni Greenfield, no? So, here in Solen Residences, mas malawak yung balcony niya. As you can see, hanggang dito siya kahaba. And of course, observe ka lang dyan yung development ni Greenfield, yung greenery and yung open spaces. And itong model house na to is malapit sa amenities. So, as you can see, no, naglagay dito ng mini chandelier. So, that's based on the client's preferences kung anong gusto nyo. And dito is merong maliit na hallway that leads to the master's bedroom. So here sa master's bedroom, meron ka ring access sa balcony and very spacious. Naglagay dito ng mini table. Of course, you can put here queen or king-sized bed. Naglagay ng mga bedside table, ng television. And dito naman, this is what I like about here, are the very spacious bathroom. So as you can see, dito nilagay yung mini walk-in closet. So possible pala talaga siya na maglagay ng cabinets dito and ng another cabinets dito sa taas. So you can maximize the space. So this is the toilet area. Merong enclosed shower door sa may shower area, of course, para hindi messy kapag naligo. And right now, we are going to the other bedroom. This is the bedroom number 2. So as you can see, no, naglagay ng mirror so that magkaroon ng illusion na medyo malawak. But it's really spacious. As you can see, very spacious niya. So if you have kids, they can make this their room. So meron ditong mga built-in cabinets din also. And welcome to the third bedroom. So this is the bedroom number 3. As you can see, minmaximize yung space. So if ever na hindi kasya dun sa isang bedroom, naglagay dito ng shared beds, katulad nitong dalawang single bed. And meron din sila ditong shared cabinets. So these are built-in. And meron din ditong mga glass windows na merong view ng developments outside your house, which is mga greeneries and open spaces. And of course, dito sa second floor, meron din dito sariling CR or toilet and bath. So total of 3 bathrooms, isa sa master's bedroom, isa dito and isa sa baba. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you want more videos like this, you can like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're interested, please message me in the numbers flashed on the screen, 0926-547-8708. This is Giselle of Official PH Properties. See you on my next video.